Di ba Ateneo mahilig ng accountability? O, di ba? They call on accountability even from their own students, even from other persons. Siguro tumingin sila sa sa mirror at sila din dapat accountable. Kaya nga ang last statement ko, practice what you preach. And I hope that they will do the right thing. Let us not add more to the sufferings of the family. And I hope they will do the right thing, and that is to reveal the entire truth, not hide under complicated legalese, and own what has to be owned by them.
The House is going to conduct a motu proprio inquiry into the fatal incident. Any comment on that?
Well, that is good. That is a welcome development also. But I hope the Senate will so conduct likewise. No, not because we trust the Senate more, but mas maganda kasi yung sa Senado kasi mas maganda ang Senado.
Attorney, follow-up lang ako. How would the House inquiry bolster your argument or help substantiate your claims?
Well, if they will really do it, they will hopefully be able to gather more facts. And that's what we need right now, gather more facts. And I hope they will also exercise their subpoena powers to require the students to testify as well as the members of the coaching team, because we really want to know what happened as June 8, 2020.
Does the statement of the Baldwin's wife can be admissible to court?
Subject to vetting and subject to verification. If it was indeed true that she already gave notice of her concerns to Ateneo de Manila, and Ateneo de Manila did not heed her advice, then that can be a useful information for us if ever there is a case or cases that is or are going to be filed. This case again gives us the opportunity to look into situations such as this, out of school activities and training systems which would endanger students, athletes, no? And I hope this will lead us to regulations that would promote the safety of student athletes.